To all our group leaders, salamat tayo. Nako yung magitan na kapat, 5 karon na diri. Thank you kayo sa amin. Makamimo kita, makapalit kita ako para ako magamit sa akong mga programs. So, thank you kayo. Also to our former kagawad, panagin yung also
Kids, but we also focus for the adolescents, pregnant and lactating at the same time already. So for today, we will discuss about IPAN, the nutritional problems we face, the cause of inaction. Hindi ko less than 5 years old, tutulog sila. When you say stunted mango, this is a chronic form of malnutrition, which means